Baby dinner recipes 9 months. 1. Sweet potato and chicken mash. Ingredients: 1 sweet potato, 1 chicken breast, 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, a half teaspoon of dried thyme, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F 190 degrees C. 2. Peel and chop the sweet potato into small cubes. 3. In a small saucepan, bring the chicken broth and dried thyme to a boil. 4. Add the sweet potato cubes and cook for 8–10 minutes until they are soft. 5. While the sweet potato is cooking, bake the chicken breast in the oven for 20 minutes. 6. Once the chicken is cooked, let it cool and shred it into small pieces. 7. In a bowl, mash the cooked sweet potato with the shredded chicken. 8. Add garlic powder and onion powder and mix well. 9. Serve warm to your baby. 2. Avocado and banana puree. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana, a quarter cup of breast milk or formula optional. Instructions: 1. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit and scoop out the flesh. 2. Peel the banana and chop it into small pieces. 3. In a blender or food processor, blend the avocado and banana until smooth. 4. If the puree is too thick, add a little breast milk or formula to thin it out. 5. Serve immediately to your baby. 3. Lentil and vegetable soup. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of red lentils, 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, a half carrot, peeled and chopped, a half zucchini chopped, a quarter cup of chopped tomatoes, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of coriander. Instructions: 1. In a small saucepan, bring the chicken broth to a boil. 2. Add the lentils, carrot, zucchini, and tomatoes to the broth. 3. Let it simmer for 15–20 minutes until the lentils are cooked and the vegetables are soft. 4. Add cumin and coriander and stir well. 5. Let the soup cool and blend it in a blender or food processor until smooth. 6. Serve warm to your baby. 4. Apple and chicken quinoa. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of quinoa, a half cup of low-sodium chicken broth, a half cup of water, 1 chicken breast, diced, 1 apple, peeled and diced, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Instructions: 1. In a small saucepan, bring the chicken broth and water to a boil. 2. Add the quinoa and diced chicken to the broth. 3. Let it simmer for 15–20 minutes until the quinoa is cooked and the chicken is tender. 4. In a separate pan, saute the diced apple with cinnamon until soft. 5. Add the cooked quinoa and chicken to the pan with the apples and mix well. 6. Let it cool and serve to your baby. 5. Spinach and cheese omelet. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of breast milk or formula, a quarter cup of chopped spinach, 1 tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese, a quarter teaspoon of dried oregano. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, whisk the egg with the breast milk or formula. 2. Add the chopped spinach, shredded cheese, and dried oregano to the egg mixture and mix well. 3. In a small frying pan, pour the egg mixture and cook until the omelet is set. 4. Let it cool and cut into small pieces. 5. Serve to your baby as finger food.